Hey, what's up guys? Shane Graham here. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 essential beats you need to know on the drum set. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and click the notifications bell. And let's jump right in. Welcome back to the Complete Beginner Series, Lesson 5. Last lesson, we learned our first 2 beats on the drum set. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend viewing it before proceeding with this one. For all 10 beats today, we'll be playing 8th notes on the hi-hat and 2 and 4 on the snare drum. This is known as an ostinato. An ostinato is a repeated pattern while other things change around it. In this case, our kick pattern will change with each new beat. I will demonstrate each beat for you at 2 different tempos, 70 and 120 beats per minute. For beat 1, our kick pattern will be on beat 1 and 3 and. For beat 2, our kick pattern is the same as beat 1 with the addition of the and of 4. For beat 3, our kick pattern will be on beats 1 and 3 and. For beat 4, our kick pattern will be on beat 1 and the and of 2. Beat 5 is the same kick pattern as beat 4 with the addition of the and of 3. Beat 6 is the same kick pattern as beat 5 with the addition of the and of 4. For beat 7, our kick pattern will be on beat 1, the and of 2, and beat 3. Beat 8 is the same kick pattern as beat 7 with the addition of the and of 4. Beat 9 is one of my favorite beats. Our kick pattern will fall on beat 1, the and of 2, 3 and the and of 4. For beat 10, I thought I would do something fun and introduce a 2-bar pattern. For bar 1, our kick pattern will be on beat 1, 3 and the and of 4. For bar 2, our kick pattern will be on the and of 1, 3 and the and of 4. All of these beats will be very useful for your drumming and can be applied to many different genres of music. Once you're comfortable playing through all the different beats, you can start to mix and match the kick patterns to create your own beats. Comment below with your favorite songs that feature these beats. Well, that's it for this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.